Somalia today is standing up, brushing aside the difficulties of the past and turning to look towards a brighter future. Yes, there is still much work to be done, and we are not fooling ourselves here. The task of rebuilding a nation is a long and a demanding one. However, we have hope, we have the momentum and shared desire to achieve it. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will address the process of inclusive politics, which has three strategic phases: state building, constitution-making process, and elections. Strengthening state structures and supporting a stable, democratic, and peaceful federal Somalia is the core of our quest to achieve lasting peace for and by the Somali people. The Somali people expect from their leaders a completed and agreed constitutional principles and to complete outstanding provisions in order to finalize pending federated institutional roles and responsibilities of the respective levels of government, key among them the power sharing functions, to avoid duplication, paralysis, and political tensions. To move our country forward and attend awaiting national tasks, the National Security Council have reached historic political agreements on 5 June 2018 in Daawo between the federal government and the federal member states, which will ensure the transfer of power in 2020 elections to be a multi-party national election under the universal suffrage of one person, one vote. We have also reached an agreement on resource sharing processes which will pave the way for the Somali people to access their vast natural resources, including but not limited to hydrocarbon and minerals. It's also worth mentioning the preceding agreement on fisheries and marine resources and understanding documents prepared for judicial agreement to be reached in the next NSC, National Security Council meeting scheduled next month. Ladies and gentlemen, as evidenced in these historic agreements on elections, judiciary, fisheries, and resource sharing, it's very clear the best route to remaking Somalia's glory is one of consultations and dialogue. And on this note, and on behalf of the federal member states, I want to give an assurance that the federal member states of Somalia remain committed and will work side by side with the federal government and institutions for the realization of the remaining constitutional tasks for the people of Somalia. Ladies and gentlemen, inclusive politics means functioning democratic institutions, free and fair elections, and a parliament with robust constitutional powers. Let's not be lost that Somalia alone cannot do it. These undertakings require strong political and financial commitment from our international partners. Therefore, they shall remain steadfast on achieving these goals by providing the necessary resources on time. Dear friends, while inclusive politics agendas are moving forward and are in the process of being converted to constitutional document, it's important to note that the security trajectory remains unsettled. Al-Shabaab and ISIS continue to remain potent and dangerous. As the Somali people rejected their un-Islamic ideology, they resorted to criminal activities, forcing people to pay through extortion and illegal means. Large swath of the country remains still in the hands of Al-Shabaab terrorist group. We call upon an international summit on tackling Al-Shabaab and ISIL threats, giving priority to respective Somali security institutions with resources and necessary equipment to defeat them. Ladies and gentlemen, the Puntland state of Somalia will celebrate its 20th anniversary next week on August 2018. This maturity comes with different needs on development, improving our human capital, investing on economic infrastructures such as airports, ports, highways, and roads. As far as Puntland is concerned, we are making a huge progress on several fronts. Puntland is the oldest federal state in Somalia, 20 years of self-enhanced local experience managing their own affairs, whilst availing time and resources to the quest of peaceful and stable Somalia. In the last 4 years, the state has embarked on several reforms such as security, justice, civil service to strengthen state institutions. We believe good institutions beget good governance. We have also invested greatly in infrastructure development to advance economic growth within Puntland and Somalia. In the past 4 years, Puntland has achieved a number of economic goals and targets, while at the same time face continuous threats and attacks from ISIL and Al-Shabaab. Unfortunately, while our focus is directed on development, state-building institutions, and the fight against terrorist groups, a new unprovoked threat emerged from our neighbor in Somaliland. On January 8, 2018, Somaliland forces attacked peaceful and unthreatening villages of Puntland, forcing thousands of people, of local people, to flee from their homes and livelihoods. Puntland and Somaliland regions were known to be the two most stable regions of Somalia until Somaliland have chosen a controversial leader whose aim is to achieve political concessions through war and conflict. International community, including members, a number of high-ranking diplomats who are here today, tried their level best to solve this short-sighted crisis to no luck. We, the government and the people of Puntland hereby inform the world that Puntland is for peace and good neighborliness, and that any fallout from this conflict, including the life lost thus far, be the sole responsibility of Musa Bihi and his inner circle. The proud people of Sol and Sanaag are the known dervish leaders of Somalia's liberation movement and independence. Make no mistake, they are the heart and the soul of today's Puntland. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the road ahead is long, but we Somalis are committed and we are ready. We are grateful for the support of the world community, be it moral, political, and financial support. On behalf of the Somali people, I thank the European Union and Sweden for the high-level SPF forum and look forward to a positive outcome and commitment. Thank you.
عبدولي محمد أحمد قاص أيوة مدحوينها بنتلاند
in weeraray kusoo qaadeen Somaliland waxaan naga socotaan TV caalamiga ah Somali Cable hal shirkada iyo shirka Brussels madax kale oo ay heli doonto
President Ahmed Duale Gelle
حاف باكو حاجة مدحوين حاف يا هل دونا واللي بحي ومقبلة داخل اللي بحي وقال له بدي ليش كما كا ويوحنا جلس عطان Somali Cable TV
intii hore Djibouti xataa ee lagu dhisay dawladdii ugu horeysay ee Soomaaliya ee kumeel gaarka ahayd. Intii kumeel gaarka ahayd oo soo socotay ilaa 2014.
Apologies if I'm invading your space.
2012 oo ay timid dawlad aan kumeel gaar ahayd markii hadda la soo dhaafay mid hadda aan joogno oo madaxda ka yahay mudane mudane yaani mar weyn dib u heshiisiintu had iyo jeer waxay ka timaadaa markii khilaaf jiro ummadda la heshiisiiyo ama dadka la heshiisiiyo. Soomaaliya khilaafkeedu wuxuu ku taagan yahay ama ka bilowday waa khilaaf siyaasadeed. mar haddii arrintu siyaasad tagto Soomaaliya waxay gashay qabiil, markay qabiilka gashay hadda qabiilka ka soo gadoontay siyaasadda ayay ku soo laabatay. waxaan aad iyo aad rajo weyn uga qabaa ama aan ka midha dhalaynayba in badan oo ka mid ah in dib u heshiisiintii lagu guulaysto. waxaan loogu guulaystay markii ay dowladda federaalka ah iyo ummadda Soomaaliyeed iyo odayaasha iyo salaadiintu ay ka qayb galeen. hadda ugu dambeysay markii madaxweynaha federaalka Soomaaliya Maxamed Cabdullaahi Farmaajo uu tegay Puntland iyo Galmudug, in badan ayaa ku fayoobaatay oo dib u heshiisiintii intii ka socotay ayaa sii taaba gashay. haddana waxaan aad iyo aad ugu rajo weynahay in ay sii taaba gasho inta kale